In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to build a landing page without a menu. So the cases where you may want to use this is, let's say you're building a promotional page where you just want people to focus on the actual message without being distracted on the links they may need to click on the top of the menu. So this is highly recommended for landing pages, squeeze pages, funnels, and that kind of stuff. So I want to show you now how to actually build these type of pages without the header. Now, before we begin, if you buy Divi using my affiliate link, I will give you access to my Divi Blueprint course, which teaches you how to use Divi to build professional looking websites. All you have to do is to click the link in the video description below. So right now I'm in the dashboard of my WordPress website. So I'm going to come over here to pages, click on add new. So let's just call this no header. So the very first thing you want to do here, and this is where the trick is, you want to come over here to page attributes, click on this drop down and click on blank page. So this automatically removes the header and the footer of the actual page. So that's step one. I'm going to click here on publish. I'm going to publish that. Next, I'm going to click on use Divi Builder. So now whatever page that we start building will not have that header and the footer. So let's click on premade layout. So the reason why I'm doing this is it just makes it easier for me to just come up with a page quickly and use this as my starting point. So here, as you can see, we have landing. So I'm going to go ahead and select this, click on use this layout. Now, if I need to, I can go in and customize this page, make it look the way I want. I can even change the messaging and all that good stuff. Okay, so this is my landing page. I'm going to save this. So first of all, let's take a look and see if this has the header and the footer. So I'm going to click on exit Visual Builder. And as you can see here, we don't have a header on this page. And as I scroll down, we don't have a footer either. Okay, so that's quickly how you do that. So whatever design that you do now, if you go in and make some changes to this design, it won't affect the header and the footer because we've disabled it in the first stage. So now we can go in and, delete sections, add more sections. So for example, let's say I want to delete that. Maybe I may want to get rid of this, or maybe bring this to the top. I'm going to drag this all the way to the top. Okay, it's quite close. So let's do it one more time. Okay, so we're going to delete that one because this is the main part that we need for our design. So I'm going to add a background to this. I'm going to click here, click on background. And for my background here, I'm going to add a gradient. So I'm going to come over here on the second tab, click this plus button, and you can see here, I've just added a gradient on there. But I'm going to play around with the colors because I'm not pretty happy with the colors that I have on there. Okay, so let's say we go with this one. That's pretty cool. I'm going to save that. Now all I have to do is to come in here and change the colors of my text to make it stand out. So I'm going to click here, settings, click on design. In fact, I can just filter, click on modified styles, and this will take me directly to where all the changes were done on this design. I'm going to change the text as well here. The button text color. Change this to light. So now we can see it's easier to read. Save that. Then over here, I can also add some padding over here to the top just by dragging like that. So I think 150 is good. I can also come in here and make some changes to this video. So let's say I click on overlay. I can actually come in here and generate my own image. So let's say I'm going to go with, I go with this image here, click upload image. Okay, so I've got my image there. On the top here, I may want a heading. So I'm going to save that. Get rid of that. Okay, so I'm going to add a new row. Single column. And then this needs to be a text module. Right, so I'm just going to say heading goes here. Right, so now I can just make some design changes to this. Click here on text, all caps. I can make this pop-ins. Let's make it white. let's make this extra bold. Now let's make this nice and big. 60 is fine. We're going to center this and save it. Now I can drag this to the top. Okay, so I can see here that on this row we have quite a bit of padding, so I can reduce that down to about, let's say, I'll say 31 is fine. And then on the top here, I can add some more padding, just like that. So as you can see, I've quickly created a landing page which doesn't have a header and footer. So if you're happy with this, you can just save it. So this is how you disable the header when you're building landing pages in Divi. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. By doing so, it helps the channel grow and also you get notified when I release new videos.